In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward an entire email thread in Gmail. Forwarding a whole conversation is great when you need someone to see the full back and forth, not just a single reply. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few simple checks so everything you expect is included. First, go to Gmail. Open your browser and head to the Gmail website, or launch the Gmail app if that's what you use. Make sure you're signed in to the account that holds the conversation you want to share. Next, click on Inbox. You'll find it in the left sidebar. If you use categories like primary, social, or promotions, choose the section where the thread lives. This just helps you see the message list you work with every day. Now, select the email. Click the conversation you want to forward to open it fully. If the thread has several messages, scroll to the most recent message at the bottom. That's usually the best spot to forward from because Gmail will place the earlier exchanges below as quoted history. Take a quick look through the thread so you know what will be shared, and if there are any attachments or sensitive details you don't want to pass along, note that now. Click on Forward. You'll see the Forward option beneath the message. When you click it, Gmail creates a new draft with the entire conversation quoted in the body. You'll see a horizontal line, and then the conversation history. That's your preview of what will be sent. Enter the recipient. In the To field, start typing the email address of the person or people who need this thread. You can add a short note at the very top of the draft to provide context, and you can edit the subject line if needed to make it clearer. Before you continue, glance through the quoted section to confirm the messages you expect are present. Finally, click Send. Once you're confident the right people are addressed and the correct history appears in the draft, hit Send. Gmail will deliver your message, and you can find a copy in Sent for your records. That's it. You opened Gmail, went to your inbox, selected the conversation, pressed forward, added recipients, and sent it. With these steps, you can quickly share the full context of a discussion without copying and pasting.